Hello, student. Today we'll continue our lesson. I hope you all remember the beginning story, which is I have already taught you. Student, where did we reach the point? Okay, we'll start from here. Neha. Neha, oh my eyes, now it's the sun waking me up. Why can't he let me be? Neha says, oh my eyes, but why did she say like that? Because sun's brightness come over her and she is trying to wake up Neha. That's why she says, why can't sun let me be? Why can't let me sleep? Narrator. Even this wish of Neha's comes true. Next morning the sun is behind the clouds, so Neha snores till she hears her mother's voice. Narrator says her wishes come true. Next morning, due to the cloudy weather, sun disappeared. So Neha sleeps till she hears her mother's voice. Mother, wake up, sleepyhead, you will miss the bus. Mother says, wake up, Neha, you sleepy girl, you will miss the bus. Neha, oh no, why does mother have to wake me up? And Neha says, why does my mother have to wake me up? Now she feels like a disturb. Narrator, there is no escape now. Neha gets up and gets ready. Can you imagine what happens the next day? Neha wakes up. With a start, her watch says it is 6 o'clock. She calls out to her mother. Now, narrator says there is no way to escape. She gets up from the bed and gets ready. And one question is here, can you imagine what happened the next morning? I mean, next day. Next day, she gets up and her watch says it is 6 o'clock. Then she calls out to her mother. Neha, Ma, who woke me up today? Narrator. Mother smiles and her mother smiles. Mother, who else? You, of course. Neha, but I was sleeping. How could I? Neha says, I was sleeping on my bed. How could I wake up? Mother, now tell me, why do you eat your lunch every day at 1 in the afternoon? And her mother asks to her this question, why do you eat your lunch every day at 1 in the o'clock? 1 in the afternoon. And she says, Neha, I feel hungry. Mother, why do you sleep at 9 every night? Again, her mother asks a question, why do you sleep at 9 every night? Neha, because I feel sleepy. Mother, there is a clock inside you which tells you when to eat, when to sleep, and when to wake up. It means there is a clock inside you. There should be a knowledge within you when to sleep, when to eat, when to study, and when to wake up. We should to do our work according to time. Time is precious. It never come back. We have to know how to utilize our time. Time tells us everything. Neha. Oh, I better rush now. I don't want to miss the bus. And Neha says, I have to do quickly my work and I don't want to miss the bus. Mother, relax. Today is Sunday. And Neha, oh. So, student, the moral of the story is, I have already told you, we should to do our work according to time. Time is precious. We have to get up early in the morning. It never come back, means time never come back. Okay student, in next video we'll do our exercise. Thank you.